Ladies and gentlemen, in today's environment, tech environment, we see a wide variety of microphones that you can use that are USB and plug into your PC so you can get exceptional audio that's convenient and doesn't break the bank at the same time. So I thought we'd do an interesting video today where we're comparing the Blue Yeti microphone. This is the original that came out a while back. I got this thing for around $99 at the time, and you can still find deals on this thing on Amazon literally all the time. So it's rather expensive compared to the Fifine that I'm using right now. You've heard this in prior videos. Now this is a baseline microphone, I'd call it. It has all the basic features that you need in a microphone. It's USB, has a little tripod stand, has a volume adjuster built into the actual hardware of the device. It doesn't have too many bells and whistles. It's only $30 on Amazon. But then we have this guy, which is another USB mic, which comes with its own base software where you can go in and tweak, some of the settings and stuff, sort of the sound profile, equalizer settings. And we also have a knob on the back, not only for volume for the mic itself. Well, we have volume in terms of if you want to monitor it. Like if you want to plug in headphones on the bottom, there's a port where you can do that, and you can adjust the volume here. You also have a mute switch, so if you need to mute your mic really quickly, you don't want anyone to hear you for some reason, you can do that as well. And we have different sort of like mic input patterns where it can recognize vocals differently depending on where you're speaking into the microphone. So we have 4 different settings. We have sort of like an interviewer style where it's like it'll capture the audio coming like in the front and in the back. Then we have a side profile, it'll capture coming into the sides. We have cardioid where it captures basically 75% of the audio coming in, sort of like in a semicircle sort of pattern. And then I think I got them all. And then we have a 360-degree audio where it'll capture audio from all different sides. So like it's really cool how you can adjust those features on here. I just keep it on cardioid for the most part. I think that's the setting that makes the most sense if you're doing like talking headshots like this. If you're in a podcast, I think it's a no-brainer. They also have a screw port in the bottom. I think this is a 5/8 input, so you can mount this to a tripod like this, or a arm that you want to mount on your desk, so you can like bring it really close to your mouth. Here's what it actually looks like without like the foam cover on. I just got this because to help with like water vapor, like when humans like output vocals, you don't get that like like sound that's like interfering with the audio quality. So I have this on. It helps. It's made out of metal, aluminum. It's built really well. And the actual input itself is, I think this is called mini USB. And it's not micro USB, it's mini USB. So USB plugs directly into your computer. It's fairly straightforward. I mean, there's nothing really complicated about it. Once you actually, plug it into your PC, you can download the Blue Yeti software if you want to tweak anything, but I recommend just tweaking everything in OBS if you're using this in OBS. So let's actually switch over to a microphone test with this thing so you guys can compare the Fifine K669 microphone I've been speaking into for this entirety of this video, and we'll see what a $99 microphone sounds like compared to a $30 microphone. So basically a third of the price. Is it a third of the quality? Probably not, but we'll have to see. So switching over to that now. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, now this is the Blue Yeti microphone. No filters, no nothing, just straight out of the box. This is what you can come to expect. Cardioid pattern built in. So I think overall, if you're looking for trying to up your audio quality game, if you're doing YouTube, if you're doing podcasting, I think this is a good value microphone for you. Now, can you find other microphones on Amazon or on the internet that sound just as good as this for less? Yes, you probably can, but this is also a reliable brand. Blue has been making microphones for the longest time,
And they also have a variety of different Blue Yeti mics, even to this day. This is like the base model that came out a while ago. They've created sequential versions of this one over time, and they've just gotten better and better. And I like how you can tweak the sound profile to these basically however you want it. You can make this sound like a podcast mic, or you can make it so it's like, sounds it's a little further away from you. It's capturing audio from like the entire surroundings sort of thing. So let me know how this sounds, how it compares to the Fifine microphone. I've obviously listened to this microphone several times. I've recorded with this for a lot of videos in the past. Haven't used it too recently just because it's a little bulky just for my style. The Fifine can better fit on my desk compared to the Blue Yeti. This is a big microphone. But I like this, and I also like how you can monitor the audio coming out of it just by plugging in headphones. So that's a plus. So yeah, I think this is a solid mic. If you were to ask me which one should you go pick up at the end of the day, I think the Fifine does a great job, and I do think it's better than 30% of the quality of the Blue Yeti. So I think if you're really on a budget, go pick up the Fifine microphone because it offers exceptional value for only $30. It comes with everything, straight plug and play. But if you're looking to up the quality of your microphone, Blue Yeti is a solid option as well. So with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, if you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell for all future uploads, and I will see you guys in the next video from Tech with Scott, new channel name. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Peace out.
Hey guys, thank you so much for watching another video on my channel. If you're interested, click over here to subscribe to the channel and click over here for another amazing tech video review / tutorial. And yeah, thanks so much for checking out the channel. Appreciate all you guys. See you in the next video.